Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube Spanish Hello. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust this. There we go. As of not March, April 1st, I no longer have a website. So by the time you see this, my website is gone. I whittled down my Cincy clubs, and in June, I will no longer be a consultant. Anyways, again, my name is Monica. I am in New Mexico. Today is a windy day. So if you hear the wind, that's what it is. I just wanted to get this done. This is April 26th to April 30th, May 1st and the 2nd. So this is the 7 days. This is my weekly melting challenge. The end of April, beginning of May. So let's get started. First thing, the prompt is melt something with frosting. And I chose from Scentsy, Happy Birthday. This was in my Scentsy club for a long time. Sugar, whipped cream, and vanilla extract. Yep, and that's what it smells like. Frosting and white cake to me. So that's good. Next one is melt a pink colored wax. And I chose from Scentsy, strawberry lemon cake. One of my favorites. This one is in my Scentsy club. Strawberries, lemon zest, vanilla, and buttercream. And hopefully that's going to stay in my Scentsy club until okay, that was 26 and 27. Hold on. Let's see if he stops. Okay. April 28th. Melt something with butterscotch. So from Scentsy, I chose salted caramel toffee. Salted caramel, melted toffee, and butterscotch. Yeah. And this was this the brick? I don't know. Get them confused because I've had a lot of bricks and stuff. So never mind that I said that. April 29th is melt a license bar. So I choose from the Villains collection, Dark and Devious. And this one is all the villains. Yeah. And this one is black pepper, star anise, and cinnamon. And is a deep purple, and you can get, I get the anise and the cinnamon. I don't really get black pepper. So that's cool. That's good. I love a good license bar. April 30th, the last day of the month. Melt something with more than 3 scent notes. So from Scentsy, I chose Emerald Pear Blossom. And this was the fall winter catalog. No longer available. This is Amber Blossoms, white cranberry, and emerald pear. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's a lot of okay, so now we're on to May. May 1st is melt something with pecan. And that is my husband's favorite pie. Mine is cherry. Central Park Praline. It always makes me think of Friends for some reason. Central Park. Pecans, caramel, and cinnamon sugar. Yeah, this one's good. So, looking forward to that one. And the last one of this wax melting basket weekly, May the 2nd, is melt something with mango. So I chose one of my favorites, Sunshine Mango. This was a scent of the month last year, and I had it in my Scentsy club since then. Oh god, it's so good. Mango, pineapple, and orange. But sadly, I had to take it out because I shrunk my Scentsy club down because, like I said, by June 1st, I will no longer be a consultant, and I'm trying to get those clubs down to literally nothing as much as I can. But that's it, guys. This is April 26th to the 30th and May 1st to the 2nd. Next week will be May the 3rd to the 9th. And I already have the notes that I want to do. So we'll see you guys later. Bye.